If you want to install a golf app on Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, all you have to do is, first of all, we're gonna go to the Play Store. Now over here, once you open the Play Store, you can try to search simply for golf. What you can also do is use your phone, so we can scroll all the way down and open on phone. If you do so, you will be redirected to the Play Store on your smartphone with the watch immediately selected. And what you can do now is you can try to simply search for golf. You can write golf over here. There we go. In case you are wondering if it is actually selected properly, you can switch over here from this device to Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. And here you have every app that is, I guess, relatable, or not relatable, that is related to golf or something similar to that. So we have various different results based on our entry. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.